Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you 5 iPhone settings you must turn off now. They're silent, clearing your battery. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. There are settings that drain your battery without you even noticing. So what you can do is we'll continue with the most dangerous settings that can actually destroy your battery life if you leave them on. So some of the simple steps but have a huge impact. So what you need to do is 1. Excessive iCloud syncing. Every time you open an app, it automatically uploads its data to the cloud. That's not always necessary and it drains both your battery and your internet. So what you need to do is head over to the settings, then tap on your Apple ID name on the top and then select iCloud. Then once you're inside here, select on this storage, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is turn off the apps that don't need to save your data to the cloud, like health. Delete data from the iCloud, tap on disable and delete, and tap on permanently delete. Automatic updates, the hidden battery killer. Imagine your phone keeps connecting to the internet every now and then to check for app and system updates without your permission. That wastes power and data too. So what you can do is head over to the settings. Inside settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Inside apps, select App Store. Then under automatic downloads, turn off app downloads, app updates, and in-app content as well. Also, go to the settings once again, then tap on general. Inside general, tap on software update. Inside software update, turn off automatic updates by simply tapping on the automatic update and then turning off automatic installed. After that, install updates manually whenever you want while your phone is charging. 3. Active widgets on the screen. Widgets look nice, but each one of them uses battery power to fetch live data like weather stock updates. So what you can do is long press the widget, tap on remove widget or remove stack, which is the live widget, and keep only the ones you actually use. Always enable low power mode. This feature temporarily limits background activity and significantly extends your battery life. How to enable it is by heading over and opening our settings. Then select battery. Inside battery, turn on low power mode by scrolling down, and here you find the option that says low power mode. You can quickly access it from your control center by simply tapping on this icon right here. 5. Monitor your battery usage. The system shows you a detailed report of how much power each app consumes. To check it is simply heading over to the settings, selecting battery, then you will see a graph and screen time for each app. And if you find an app using too much power like TikTok or Facebook, try limiting its usage or turning off its notifications. After these steps, your battery will never be the same again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.